everybody.
Say hello. Hi. Good evening.
I just got some steak, so that's gonna fire.
Ayan, nagkukuk si tatay.
I just can't believe why you said firing.
Yeah, mazuzunog na yan.
Ow, it's getting bigger. You look like a rockstar fire. Oh, that's so cloudy. Ay! What's cool? Atay, nakatulog na yung Chiki. Gising pa sila. Upside down mo. And the weights burn! Yeah, yummy, yummy.
Doon kayo sa kalira na, maausok. Tara, tayo ka muna.
Okay, yan ang iting worst danger. Tapos, yan ang steak. Mamaya, papapisan. Tapos sabihin mo kay kids, gusto mo ng steak party? What? Steak party?
Social.
Hindi.
I will check my rice if it's already cooked.
Go, go.
Get out of my way. You
Back.
blocking on my way.
No, you said you're looking in my
Where
butt.
is the phone?
No.
Excuse me.
Yung napakpakan. Ito yung pakpakan. At why it's violet?
Makabili ka naman si tatay?
Ano lulutuin yan?
Oh.
Dito mo lang.
Paano tanggalin yung cover? Hindi yan makukuk.
Plastic yan anak, hindi...
Ma-dirty yan. That's bad for your health.
Asa tanggalin mo yung rock, kaluto na. Ganun.
Excuse me.
Ito.
Hey, get out of the camera.
Taking all the vaccine. Johnny, sexy. Mama. Oh, mama. watermelon. Mama, mama, watermelon.
What are you doing?
Mama.
Yung short mo, bumababa na. Bawal pakita yung
Bye-bye. Tell me what about? Oh, did you reading what
Smells
I
good.
about? Out to far away.
Yeah, it's grilled like a barbecue.
I love steak. Don't steak.
Hey, don't go near to the camera.
Ay, baka. Pretend ako, monster ako.
Me?
Okay, ako. Okay. Dapat mo yan, tapos ako pretend monster ako sa my
Get
forest.
ka ng ano dun, ng spoon. Lagyan mo ng juices to para may lasa. Come on. Hello po. Nag-craving po ang person ng grilled. So, mahal po ang bumili ng grilled na, yung ready to eat. So, kami na lang mag-grill.
Ito na!
Oh, come here.
My eyes hurt!
Come here.
No, my eyes hurt!
Because of the smoke. Put it like this. And then spread out. Spread out.
Ito na lang.
Spread out.
Ako dito, eat.
Spread out.
May eye.
Oh. Try it.
I'm sure it's gonna fall.
You put on the meat, ha? Not on the charcoal.
Nanay.
What? Spread. Good job. Oh, that's enough. Later naman.
It's cool.
Yeah.
Nanay, kasi
Yeah, we will eat after we cook.
lagyan natin talbo dito. Tapos, lagyan natin
We
yung
put
chairs.
we put the table outside.
Yeah. And then get the chairs.
Just like a picnic.
Yeah. No, you get the table and then get the chairs. We have a snake party.
We have a steak party. Where did you watch
Jay,
that?
it's my turn. It's my turn.
Not too much, ha? Not too much. Susono.
Nanay.
What?
Ako dito it.
Yeah. But the food is not yet cooked.
Nanay.
Yes.
Nanay.
Yes. Uy, Elias, stop it na.
The turn ng segment party. Happy birthday. Juicy. Juicy. Happy birthday.
No. Can you sit down?
Here.
You sit down.
You do that. Ah. Why? Wait. Then come again. Hello? But it's too hard. Look at it. Just look.
Wow. Don't na, Elias. It's okay. Elias.
Ito totally piso. Tally smoke.
Thank you for watching po. Highly appreciated. Anak, don't do that.
No, I'm pretending this is a picture.
That is dirty. Not too near to the camera. Ayan. First time kasi nilang makakita ng
Ano ba yung shirt ko?
grilled. So, ayun. They're so very excited.
I have a chair.
You get the chair. So, ayun, chika-chika lang habang nag-grilled. Oh no, be careful to the camera. Okay.
Ano, tingin mo. Lagay mo.
Oh, there's Kuya Ilyas. But you're not see the camera.
Ganyanin mo, tapos lagay mo.
Mamamatay yung camera ko, anak.
Ulit.